5 exercises every senior should do. If you want to improve your quality of life, this one's for you. Starting with number 1, sitting and standing. This is a skill you want to maintain for the rest of your life, so it's important that you practice it. Try doing it without your hands, but if that's too challenging at first, use your hands for support. You could even use a chair with armrests to help you out even further. Number 2, heel and toe lifts. This will strengthen the muscles beneath your knees, your calves, and your anterior tibialis, which support your knee joint. You can do it from a standing position or from a seated position, whatever you're most comfortable with at first. Number 3, practice your balance. We're going to keep it simple. We're just going to practice balancing on one leg. We're going to stand there for as long as we can until we feel wobbly. This is important for everyday life like fall prevention, which becomes very important as we age. Now try practicing with your arms crossed. This is the next level. Number 4, hip flexors. This is really important for walking stamina as well as walking upstairs. If your legs feel heavier than they actually are, it could be due to weak hip flexors, which is quite normal as we age unless we train them like doing an exercise like this or just going on daily walks walking up the stairs. And number 5, push-ups to strengthen your upper body and arms and shoulders. Upper body strength is so important for seniors. To keep your independence for as long as possible, it's important to build that strength and muscle in your upper body. Now, of course, it's important not just to do these 5 exercises, but to have a full workout plan, but make sure you include this in your routine, no matter what age.